Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and I'm excited to bring you an unboxing of the March Faith Art box from Creative Retreat Kits. I am a part of their creative team and I post over on their blog and their YouTube channel, but I like to pop on over here and share the unboxing with you guys so you can see what this month's kit is going to look like. So you have the option of purchasing these kits standalone on their own for the month, or you can sign up for a 3-month subscription, which gives you a little bit of a discount and guaranteed that you're going to get the kit. Sometimes these kits sell out pretty quickly, and I imagine Easter might be one of those ones that's going to sell out quickly, and so you may want to be sure to head on over and subscribe for these kits. So let's take a look at what comes in the kit. First off, you get a little stamp set here, and super cute. I love this one. I love everything about it. It's got all kinds of different fonts. You've got this kind of typed font, handwritten font, just plenty of words so you can create your own little titles and add them into your journaling. And it's just great to have all these little words. Maybe create your own word fetty. So you could stamp these out on some white sticker paper and then cut them out and use them as word fetty, or stamp them on colored cardstocks and things like that. That would be super cute and fun. You've got these palm branches. So of course, you know, March, we're heading into Easter, we're thinking about Easter, and so this kit kind of goes around that theme. So I've already seen some creations from the creative team. They are on it. I'm a little behind getting pages put together, but they are already creating some beautiful pages with this stamp set. So stay tuned for that. And this really big, beautiful floral piece right here. And if you've been getting Creative Retreat kits or have a few of their stamp sets, you can kind of mix and match all your florals and create pages that way. So a lot of their stamp sets include some kind of floral element. And so pull those out and create some wreaths or create some tone-on-tone stamping and things like that. So I love going back and pulling out past stamps and using those. So this floral and these pieces are kind of mimicked throughout the kit. So you'll see the fabric that the bow is created out of has that same little floral piece. How stinking cute is that? So I love that it's all kind of tied together and matches together. I love the little bow clippies. This one is some burlap. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. So really adorable. Fresh colors for spring. You've got, you know, pinks and greens and blues. And like I've said before, a lot of times there are colors that have been repeated in past kits. Not the full color scheme, but 1 or 2 colors. And so you can pull old, you know, alphas or stamp sets and pull them together and use them over and over again with different kits. So you've got, of course, the wonky hearts that we know and love from Creative Retreat kits. You've got the word fetty. You've got some really fun different crosses this month, so I really like that. You've got these round pieces. I have a fun thing to show you with these in an upcoming video and how I use those. And then you've got those palm leaves. You've got a tab, and then you've got this label piece here, some words. So lots of fun things jam-packed into that set of cardstock stickers. I love the color palette. You've got this really pretty set of Kelly Green alpha tiles. I am obsessed with alpha tiles. I love them. You've got plenty of each letter, so you can get a lot of use. I have tons of alpha stickers that I can pull out and pair together, and I'm going to try to use up some of those this month. You also get a little mini devotional. This one was written by Erin Davis. You can read a little bit about Erin in the devotional card here. And her take on Easter is really awesome. I'm excited to dive into this devotional. So a lot of times we're focusing on Resurrection Sunday and how amazing that is. A lot of us know the resurrection story. We hear it every year, or maybe you haven't, maybe you're new, and that's great. We kind of touch on some of that here with the resurrection story, but she has us looking at the time leading up to. So she paints a picture of a funeral and what that looks like and how that's going to kind of change just how amazing resurrection, Jesus's resurrection is when you think about the somber feel of what a funeral would have been like when he died. And so it's just a different way to look at Easter, and I'm super excited to do that, kind of freshen and liven it up a little bit. You've got plenty of verse references, and then there's some reflection or prompts over here looking at a passage of scripture, and then some prompts. So you can take this into your Bible and do some journaling or your war binder or whatever you like to do your work in, your faith work. You've got some reflection questions there. And then on the back, again, we have that really cute print that we saw in the bow. I just love this little detail that Danielle included this month and how things are kind of matchy-matchy. And so when I'm done with the devotional, I like to use this to cut apart, cut tabs out of, cut shapes out of, use it for inspiration when creating a page, something like that. And so I'm so in love with this print this month. Super cute. So there is a look at the kit. You can find a link down below to where you can get this kit or sign up for the subscription. Also check out, she's now carrying washi tapes, she's carrying ink pads, all kinds of goodies over there now, and she's really kind of expanding and adding some new products. And I know that she just restocked one of the stamp sets that I showed in a video, I think last year, that was super popular. I'll link it down below. You can check that out. That's been restocked. So head on over and be sure to go over to the Creative Retreat Kit blog and subscribe over there, and subscribe to their YouTube channel so you don't miss how we're all working through the kit this month. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for this kit and think it is super, super cute. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.